Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video how you can delete any WordPress website through your hosting or provider account. Now it doesn't need to be Hostinger, in my case it is. You can use Bluehost, you can use any other host provider, but in my case it's Hostinger and it's super simple. Once you are logged into your hosting account, it will probably look something like this. If you don't have any WordPress website, it might be empty. If you have, you might even see them right here. Now we are not going to click anything here. We are going to go on left side. We are going to click on this website list. We're going to just click on it and it's going to show us all of our different WordPress accounts. Now again, choose which one you want to delete, because once you delete it, you cannot get it back. So whatever you had on that website, whatever content, whatever pictures, images, files, it doesn't matter. Everything that's under that WordPress account, it's going to get deleted with it. So make sure to back up your files, save it on your computer, or transfer it to another WordPress website, or even upload it to your cloud storage before you decide to delete it. But once you're ready, just follow me, go all the way to these three dots, and simple as this, just click on the delete button. By clicking it, it's going to give you, if you understand what is going to happen once you start deleting the website. As you can see right here, this action cannot be undone. So you cannot retrieve the files that you had under your WordPress website. So make sure this is what you want to do and this is your final decision. Now, deleting the WordPress website doesn't mean you deleted your host provider account. So that's two separate things. Host provider account is the account that you're paying monthly, yearly for your hosting if you have it. If you don't have it, if you use something like Wix or Squarespace or something like that, then same thing, they will tell you you're still paying it, you will need to cancel the plan if you want to cancel its subscription, etc. That's a different story. This is just deleting the website that you have on your hosting plan. Now, if you have a plan that allows you to have multiple WordPresses, you might not have to delete anything, right? You can have multiple websites. That's the whole point. If you have a business account or a premium sort of account, again, depends on the hosting, depends on the service that you're using. On my account right here, I'm using the cheapest plan. I'm able to install two different WordPress accounts, but it does take a lot of resources, so it's not really recommended to have two on the cheapest plan. So after that, you're going to click on here. I understand that all the data stored on this website and its subdomains, including the features below, will be lost and cannot be recovered. Such resources are things like email accounts, ordered list, images, databases, custom code. Now, under the databases, it goes everything from posts to tags to categories to menus. Everything that you created under this WordPress is on your databases. Email accounts that you have, comments that you get, everything is on that specific WordPress. Once you delete it, everything is gone. So nothing will be saved unless you already backed up. You will not just lose your content, you will lose the whole website as a whole thing. So you need to back up everything. If you have a paid for a theme and you are logged in, maybe you don't know your credentials or stuff, make sure to back up everything, download on your computer, upload to your cloud storage, or transfer to another website, etc. Make sure to do that before doing this. Now, once we click delete, it's going to get deleted, and it might show you this, because depending on your host provider, they might take a second to actually delete. If the website is big, they are going to take a while. If not, 10 minutes. As you see in the right corner, it flashed. They already did it because my website didn't have anything on it. It was just a test website, so it was just deleted in a couple of seconds. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe and like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.